Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, it is a language which is used to interact with the databases. Okay, the SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Okay, I'll let you know what exactly it is. Okay, just wait. Okay, like what is SQL means? I'll mention you that it stands for Structured Query Language. Okay, and SQL is the only one which can use it to retrieve the data from the databases. I'll let you know what is database and how the data is going to stored and everything. Okay, the SQL is very easy to learn, and even if you don't have any coding background, it's also a skill that you can help you to get a good salary in fields like data analytics and database administrations, everything. Okay, and this SQL mainly Mm, just think about a database like a digital notebook where you can store, organize, and retrieve data. For example, a school stores student details. Okay, in any records in a traditional way. When we go back to 20 years back, the school stores all the student details in the one record note. Now nowadays, the total many of the schools are using the databases to store their students details. Okay, if the school administration or any one of the school authorization needs to know about the students data, they can able to get the data, they can able to retrieve the data easily by knowing the student any id number. Okay, if that everything if they want to age, if they want to details about the student, if they want to parent number of the student, they can able to get easily by using these sql queries. Okay, and in this sql I'm going to teach you the microsoft sql. Okay, microsoft sql is nothing but it is a relation database, and don't worry, I'll let you know everything in the coming videos and everything. And today I just want to I just want to give you the brief introduction about this and all. Okay, now you get to know what is sql, right? And now I'm going to tell you how the data is stored in the databases. Okay, now I'm telling that student can if the authorization can able to get the data easily from the databases by using SQL queries. But how the data stored in the databases? Okay, in which type the data is stored in the databases? Okay, the total data is stored in the database in the form of tables. We call it as a tabular forms. Okay, you know already how the table look likes, right? The table looks like rows and columns. Okay, I guess you aware about it. Okay, in the form of tables the data is going to be stored. Okay, it's going to be stored in the tables form, but how can we create a tables? Okay, how can we insert that data inside the tables? Everything I'll let you know in the upcoming videos. Okay, just think about it, it stores in the form of tabular form, or else tables. Okay. Okay, why should you learn SQL? Okay, SQL is one of the most in-demand skills today, especially in fields like data analytics, web development, and software engineering. Everything everywhere you go, that based on data the business is going to be happen. Okay, everywhere. Okay, to retrieve the data, to deal with the data, to get to know about the data, everything the SQL is needed. Okay, see for example, when the banks use SQL to manage customers accounts and transactions. Okay, everything, even if you go with the social media apps like Instagram, is also use SQL to manage user profile and posters, everything. Okay, and if we know the theory about the SQL, if we know about the queries about SQL, we can able to get a place in the many of organizations, and we can able to know about the how the data is going to be stored and how the data is going to play in the crucial way. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to teach you how SQL is used in real world. Okay, I have already mentioned you that SQL is going to be stored in the banks, like to get to know about the customer accounts and transactions, when they have completed, when they have done transactions, and in which time they have done transactions. Everything it is stored in the databases of respective banks and everything. Okay, and I'll let you know that actually I mentioned you that it is very easy to learn. Even if you don't have any coding background, it's also a skill that you can help you to get a good salaries in the fields like many fields. Okay, just watch the remaining videos. I'll let you know what exactly the data is going to be, play crucial, and also I'll let you know how the data, I already mentioned you it is in the form of tabular form, right? I'll let you know how the data is stored in the tabular form, how the table is created, how the data is inserted inside the tables, everything I'll let you know. And that is for today video. We learn the SQL is like what is SQL is and why it's important, and saw a basic examples of how it works. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up SQL on your computer and write your first SQL queries. Okay, so don't forget to like this video. If you like, just subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for updates. Thank you.